guys, so today I'm going to be sharing with you my DIY gallery project, which is right behind me. I did this about a few months ago, and I spent probably about 2 or 3 months collecting a lot of different frames, artwork, mirrors, and little things and pieces that I wanted to include in this gallery wall installation. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can pull off a budget-friendly gallery wall for your home, and I'm also going to show you how you can give it a cohesive look so it doesn't look like you just threw a bunch of trash on your wall. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first I'm just going to take you through what I have on my wall. So on the far left side I have this art quote that I actually picked up at Goodwill for a couple bucks. It says, "I'm too busy to be organized." And I thought that was cute because it is cross stitch and it's unique because someone obviously had to do this. So I really like that, and so I picked that up. I've got my babies with me per usual, so you'll hear lots of noise in the background today. Then I have this platinum frame that I got for Goodwill. It's regularly 20 bucks, and this is from like Treasured Memories, and it was like I think $1 or $2. And then I have this white frame, which it is actually a shadow box, and I got that for $3 at Goodwill. And I have another platinum frame, which would normally be like $25 in the store, and I got that for $3 at Goodwill also. So I just have this sign over here that I actually made for my home with just a silhouette vinyl decal that I put together myself. And then up here I have some string art that my husband made for me when I think it was 3 birthdays ago that he made, and that's Washington State because that's where we met and fell in love and da 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 da. And then I have some other frames. This is a placeholder. I'm still looking for a photo that I really like for this frame, but this platinum frame is not actually platinum. I spray painted silver. It was originally gold, but I wanted it to match the feel. So if you know me by now, you know I spray paint everything. So if it does not match, but I like the look of it, I just spray paint it. So it looks great there. And then I have this black frame to pull in the black from here. And then down here I have this glass, it's actually like mirrored laugh word, which you can get at Hobby Lobby for I think a couple bucks. So I'm going to quickly go over the top row because I don't want to keep going like down and up with the camera. So up here at the top left hand corner we have these bird hooks, where I actually used to use this for my keys, but I did not know what to do with it, and that was like the last piece that went up, and I really like that there. And then it's just a clock that I found at Goodwill that I like sanded it, and then I actually stained it a darker color. Then I have another platinum frame that I got at Goodwill. Let's just say that almost all the frames are from Goodwill. And then I have this family photo and this that I also got, which is when my husband came back from Afghanistan. And then over here I have this like little tree cutout that I really like. And then this metal W, which I actually got at, I think it was Hobby Lobby for $3. So that just goes to show you Hobby Lobby and Goodwill, those two together, you could just totally decorate your entire house. Okay, and so then over here on this side I have this square mirror that you're able to hang. I can't remove it, I have it taped down, but it has hangers right here and right there, so I made it into a diamond because I really like the look of that. And it's actually on the wall right near the door, so if anyone ever rings the door I like come and I'm like, oh, do I look okay, do I look okay? And then I'll like run and answer it to make sure I don't look trashy. Okay, and then up here I have this is actually the only Dollar Tree frame that I have on the gallery wall, is this black plastic one. I needed another black one to help even out the look on the wall. And then I have this one, which was a wood frame, which I'm not a big fan of raw wood frames, so I paint them. So that one got painted. And I want to talk a little bit about this, so I'm going to move the camera so you guys are able to see. I found this at Goodwill for I think it was like $3, and oh man, I fell in love with it. It was just perfect for this area. And so what it says is, "Bless this house. Within these bright and solid walls, God holds a golden key to rooms of safety, warmth, and pride, a place called family. May all our days be filled with trust, nights blessed from up above, and as the years pass tenderly, may this roof shelter love. From month to year, from kin to friend, God bless the hearts that dwell within. So I really like that, and so I put that up there. And then below, I have pictures of me and my husband when we were babies, and the year we met before we had kids, and we still looked decent. And then I also have pictures of like our families, and I have this, okay, I lied. This is the second thing from Dollar Tree that is on my gallery wall, and it says, "This is my happy place." It's just a little piece of artwork that I put there. I thought it looked nice. Okay, one more thing. I wanted to quickly go over how you can make this actually look cohesive and what I did to make it look like it's not a bunch of junk on the wall. So as you can see here, I have something blue, and I have something blue. And I pulled down the blue in the photos. There's also some blue in this photo to try and bring the blues together. And then with black, so I have black here, black frame here, black, black, black. I try to bring the blacks together. So I also use browns. I have a brown frame on the end. Brown, 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 brown. And then the white frames throughout. And then I didn't try and stick too many worded signs together. So I have something with a lot of words here, something with a lot of words here, and I think those are the only two things with a lot of words on them. And then with creating the gallery wall, I have a whole post where I go over how you can create the wall, make sure that you are not putting holes in your walls and then realizing that you hate it. So there's a little trick on there for that, so you can absolutely design your whole gallery wall without putting a single hole in your drywall. And my last tip is, if you're gonna do a gallery wall that's more elongated than just like a square, is to find a center column. This is my center column. So it's, I don't know if you can really tell, but there's a straight line that goes through here, and then from there, I broke it up and worked my way out. That side is a lot longer than this side, but with having the center column, and that center column is actually the center of that corner from this, dead center, so then I knew your eye had a place to go. So it was kind of important for me aesthetically. I like things to feel normal to the eye, so when you're looking at it, you're not like, I don't think that looks right. So you want it to feel and look correct. So when you're looking at something, especially like a gallery wall, you're not like looking everywhere. You have some kind of system that makes the frames flow from the center. At least mine flows from the center. I really hope that you guys are inspired and that you do something like this in your house. Some people think the gallery wall looks really cluttery, but I feel like if you don't have a gallery wall on every wall, then it's okay. It makes it more of like an installation piece or a conversational piece. People can go and see your history if they wanted to, but it is your home, so do what makes you happy. Do what you want to see every day, because you're the one who has to look at it. So anyways, thanks for watching my gallery wall video. I really hope this inspired you to do your own gallery wall on a budget. Thanks for watching.